my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. So today I am finally sitting down with you guys to talk to you guys about my hair. I've been getting so many compliments, so many questions of you guys asking me where I got it done, how much did I pay, how did I do it, whatever. So I decided to sit down and talk through the process with you guys, because I mean I've already done it and I didn't want to film it because I've never attempted to bleach I have attempted to bleach my entire head of hair before, but I've never attempted to bleach my entire head of hair that was red. So yeah, also disclaimer, I am not a professional. I have been bleaching my hair and dyeing my hair and coloring my hair for many years now. The first time I attempted to bleach my hair was when I was 16, and I think it was like for my brother's wedding or something. It was something fun and my mother let me, like, she bought the bleach and let me color my hair. And I've been doing my hair ever since I was 16. I used to play around with like henna dyes and stuff when I was like just entering high school. So I've been messing with my hair for a very long time. If you guys have no experience with bleach, I highly suggest you go to a professional and allow them to take care of your hair, because bleaching by yourself at home can go wrong real quick, okay? Real quick. So I am very lucky. I have fairly healthy hair and I was able to bleach my hair quite a few times without experiencing the amount of damage that you could possibly experience. But let's get into this video without blabbering on any further. First and foremost, you guys know my hair was red. I'll leave a picture here. And the last time I dyed it was beginning of March, I believe. And that was that. And the hair color kept fading, and then I woke up and I was like, you know what? I woke up one day and I was like, you know what? I need to change my hair color, because the red was looking really bad. It was faded to a point where it was just looking so like I wasn't feeling it anymore, you know? So I initially wanted to go purple, but when I went to Clicks to buy the hair color, they didn't have enough boxes of purple. So I had to settle for the Renew Classic Pearl Ash Blonde, because they had plenty of boxes of this. And as a rule of thumb for me, I always go for 3 boxes of hair color. If my hair's a little shorter, I'll always go for 2 boxes, just in case you run out of 1 box. It's happened to me numerous times, so I didn't want to take a chance this time around. So I bought 3 boxes of this, and then I also bought 3 boxes of Care bleaching. I think it's called their highlighting kit. I'll leave a picture on the screen because I threw the box away. But I literally bought 3 boxes of bleach as well, because I knew that I was gonna have to bleach my hair a lot to get it to purple or grey in this case. And yeah, this is a permanent hair color with a pre-lightening system, so this also comes with bleach. So that's what's really nice about this, is that it's kind of like a one-stop shop, but you gotta be really careful. So if you want to go the ombre route, this is a nice sort of kit or like DIY box dye situation. But like I said, you guys, don't take chances if you're not confident in working with your hair. I've been doing this for years now, and the first time I even went red, the first time I even went blue, all the times that I went blue, red, whatever, I've done it by myself. So I'm confident that if it doesn't work out to the way I want it, I can fix it, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's that. Moving back on to the hair coloring process. Obviously, like I said, I can't show you guys how I did it because it's already done. But when I'm touching up my roots the next time, I might do a tutorial or show you guys how I touch up my roots, which I've never done before. A lot of firsts, oh my god. Anyway, so yeah, I had to start bleaching my hair like the day before. So I was off on the Thursday, I think, and then I started bleaching my hair the Wednesday night, and I had to bleach it twice. So from my experience with talking to hairdressers and stuff, apparently red is a difficult color to remove from your hair. So I knew I'd have to do a good amount of bleaching on my hair. So I bleached my hair twice, the night before I actually put the color in and all that stuff. And The red was a little bit stubborn to come out, I'm not gonna lie, so I had to strip my hair twice. And then I kind of just washed my hair, put it up in a bun, went to bed, woke up the next day, bleached it again for the third time. So the first time I was removing the initial red. The second time I was kind of getting rid of the patches of red that didn't get removed the first time. And then the last time I bleached my hair was literally just making everything even. Just kind of making the bleached areas of my hair even, because it was starting to look a little patchy because the ends were lighter than, you know, the top bits, or there was certain, or the virgin hair rather, which is the hair that had never been dyed before, was a lot lighter than certain areas of the hair. So obviously I had to bleach it twice, and well, bleach it thrice to make sure I had efficiently covered the hair from like here, because I wanted my roots to show a little, which I've gotten a good fade by the roots. And yeah, so if that makes any sense, I basically bleached it 3 times, and the last time was just to make sure everything was a nice seamless blend, if that makes any sense. And then after I bleached it for the 3rd time, I dried my hair, straightened it, and then I put the color in. And so I put the color in, everything was fine, but I think towards the top portion of my head I started running out of color. Story of my life. The struggles of having long hair, you guys. I should have just gotten 4 boxes of hair dye, but I didn't think I would need 4 boxes. I really didn't think I would need 4 boxes. Also, if you guys were wondering, I think this is like 100 Rand a box, and Clinique was having a 3 for 2 sale when I went and picked this up. And also the Care highlighting kit, I think it was like 60, I want to say 65 Rand, 70 Rand for 1 box. So it's really not that bad. I think in total, because they were having a 3 for 2 sale, I literally only spent like 290 Rand on like the bleach and the hair color. So that's really not a bad price to spend. And then after the actual color, which is the ash blonde, was in my hair, I washed it out and all that stuff, and oh my god, like all my virgin hair up here was yellow. It was yellow, like straight up SpongeBob SquarePants yellow. Okay, it was really bad. So I was in a panic because it's not like I could have just left and gone to the shops and bought something real quick. Like my life is not set out that way. So literally this Dove Nutritive Solutions Nourishing Oil Care conditioner was like right next to me, because I had gotten a PR package like a few days before, and I literally grabbed this, squeezed it in one of these Renew lightning tubs. So I grabbed a purple pigment that I had laying around in my room, and I literally chucked this and the purple pigment in to mix this sort of toner, and this toned my hair, you guys. If I didn't know that trick, that purple shampoo or conditioner could tone your hair, I would have went to work with yellow hair. So yeah, I still need to use this up a bit, because you can see my hair is quite toned in this spot right here, but it still needs toning right up here. But hopefully I'll get to a happy medium with my hair somewhere down the line. I'm just taking this hair situation one day at a time, taking my time, see how I like the blonde. A lot of you guys tell me I should just leave it blonde because you guys love it blonde, and you know, I love you guys, so obviously I'm gonna listen to you guys. So yeah, this is what I use to tone my hair. It's a DIY toner. But another conditioner that you can use, I actually bought the Provoke Professional Hair Care Touch of Silver conditioner. You can get the brightening shampoo or something like that I got this on Pick n Pay. It was like 95 Rand, and this also really helped tone my hair a lot. Like a lot of the yellow tones in my hair have gone completely. I'll go through my phone, see if I can find pictures that actually show you how my hair kind of transformed from like a yellowy sort of toned blonde situation to what it is now, if that makes sense. But this is really nice, and this is for blondes, platinum, or people with white hair, and this tones your hair really well. And then recently, because I know you guys are going to ask me, how do I maintain the blonde without getting it tangled, without it getting knotty and messy and all the breakage and stuff. And I recently started using the John Frieda Full Repair, Strengthen and Restore range. I actually used it for the first time yesterday and I'm a little shook. Like, I've been feeling my hair the whole day and I'm like, it doesn't even feel like I have bleach in my hair. Like, can we talk about the ends? How healthy do the ends look? I mean, can we talk about it? And then they also have a Hydrate and Rescue Deep Conditioning treatment as well, which I'm really excited to try out. And then another thing that I got was this Joico Color Intensity Color Butter. I got the shade Purple Mauve because keeping this DIY toner in mind, I really wanted to use this to tone my hair. And what I actually might do is I might tone my hair with this, and it's probably going to end up being purple, but as the purple fades, it's probably going to leave behind a more sort of ash blonde. So I'm really excited to put this in my hair, but because I am testing out the John Frieda range for the next 3 weeks, I only want to use this on my hair, and the color butter is going to be very deep conditioning. So when I am using the color butter, I'll do a review for you guys. They come in different colors, blue, red, like a platinum sort of color. But yeah, I don't plan on using this anytime soon, but I'm really excited to use it. But like I said, I'm testing out this range for the next 3 weeks, so I'll keep you guys posted on the products, and I'll, you know, keep you guys posted on the whole hair situation. But if you guys actually, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll notice that my hair still has some red tones in it, so it's looking very rose gold. I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but it is looking a wee bit on the rose gold side, which honestly I'm really not mad about. And yeah, I toned it very splotchy in a panic mode, so it's ash blonde here and there. But I'm really not mad with the way the color looks. As I wash it, I feel like it just gets better and better and better, and I guess I'm kind of getting used to it as well. So you guys, that is it for my whole hair situation, what I did to get this color. Like I said, you guys, please do not try this at home if you do not have any experience with bleach, because it could become a hot mess real quick. And yeah, if you're bleaching your virgin hair for the first time, I highly suggest you go to a hairdresser. Okay, I highly suggest it. And that is it for this video, you guys. Please give this video a thumbs up if you guys like my new hair color. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notifications every time I upload a video, because you know I'm kind of sticking to 3 times a week. Hey, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to slay all day every day with and without makeup, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.